Hello people of YouTube, my name is Brad. This is my channel, Animate Orange, and welcome to this bit of a news break, something new that started recently. I occasionally get some, I guess you could say, insider information on exclusive models that are coming up, and I've got a little bit of information on something new. Another exclusive from Books A Million. If you have a Books A Million close to you, then you are very fortunate. If you're not already familiar, Books A Million already has an exclusive model that you can only get through them, and it is the Burrows from the Harry Potter movies. The Burrows, which is the Weasley home. They have a silver version available through regular channels, but Books A Million managed to get an exclusive, and it wasn't really talked about or advertised about. But if you go to your local Books A Million, if you find it in stock, because they tend to only keep so many in stores, and unfortunately from what I understand you can't special order or get it online, so that kind of stinks, but it is if you can get it a really neat model. Looks like they're going to add to their collection. What I'm hearing is that they're going to have another exclusive Harry Potter model. This time it's going to be the Hogwarts Express. And this model looks to be basically the Hogwarts Express model, Metal Earth model. It's got a Metal Earth number, not an Iconics number, but it has, in addition to the color, which gives it more of a display appeal, it also has rails and a platform that it sits on, which also adds, in my opinion, to the display appeal of this model. So it really looks really awesome and really cool. What I understand is going to be 5 Metal Earth sheets, and I'm guessing that's pretty much to accommodate that big platform, because that's probably another 2 sheets itself right there. I think the original had 3 sheets. Going to be assumingly in a similar box, similar larger box, much like the Burrows exclusive. Have no idea what the price is right now. Guessing it's going to be a little bit more since it's a slightly more inclusive model, or slightly more in the model. And taking a guess, my understanding is going to be a kind of a fall release, so I would say expect it no sooner than October to be on the safe side. Hopefully more can be done to make these models more readily available at Books A Million, because unfortunately it's been a little difficult, though not impossible, to get the Burrows models as it is, but another unique model for those who have to have it all, and a more colorful model to go with your Burrows in color model. And that's pretty much it for this news flash. I will be keeping my ear to the ground as it is for more exclusive things coming up. I hear there's more things in the works, but nothing that I'm ready to comment on at this time. As always, thank you for watching. Stay tuned to this channel for more, and keep on keeping on.